In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Jira account, a task that can be completed in just a few simple steps. Jira is a popular tool used by many teams for project management and issue tracking. If you're new to it, don't worry. This introduction will guide you through setting up your account so you can explore everything Jira has to offer. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to jira.com. This is where you'll find all the information you need to begin. On the homepage, you'll see a variety of options for creating your account. Depending on your preference, you can choose to sign up using a work email, a Google account, or a Microsoft account. Each option is designed to make the process as smooth as possible, depending on which service you're already comfortable with. If you opt to sign up using your work email, simply enter your email address and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. For those who prefer using a Google or Microsoft account, click on the respective option and you'll be prompted to log into your account through the partner site. Grant the necessary permissions, and you'll seamlessly transition back to Jira to finalize your registration. These methods are designed to save time and provide security. Once you've created your account, congratulations! You'll be directed to the Jira dashboard. This is where the magic begins, and you can start using Jira right away to manage your projects and track tasks. It's worth noting that Jira offers a free trial period that lasts 30 days. During this time, you have full access to its features at no cost, giving you a chance to explore and determine how Jira fits into your workflow. After the trial, Jira may prompt you to select a plan that best suits your needs if you decide to continue using the service. This trial period is a great opportunity to get hands-on experience and see the benefits of incorporating Jira into your daily operations or team collaborations. And there you have it. Setting up a free Jira account is quick and straightforward. Whether you're an individual looking to streamline your tasks or part of a team aiming to enhance project management, getting started with Jira is an effective first step. Remember, even though the trial is limited to 30 days, it's a valuable window to test out all its capabilities and make an informed decision about continuing with their paid plans. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!